guys, welcome back to Sky Makes Cute Things. Today I have a special guest with me. Her name is Sydney and she's from Sid Does Viral Things. And today we're going to be drawing a cat. And we're going to teach you how to draw the cat. But it's okay if we get it wrong because be you. So, let's get started. Okay, we're going to be using pencils. You can use whatever art supplies you have at home. We're going to be coloring at the end. And I'm using a book to do this. So, first we're going to draw a circle. The circle does not, well, like a circle. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be like this. And this is Sydney's. Okay, now we're going to draw a little circle, like below it. I'll show you what it looks like. So don't do anything just yet. It's going to look like this. Okay. You can do it as as big as you want or as small as you want. And if you hear thunder in the background, it's raining at my house right now. So now we are going to be drawing a little lines like right like this. And then draw like a cross or a T like this. Cindy, do you want to show everyone yours? That's Sydney's. Okay, now we are going to be drawing our little eyes. So you can draw the eyes however you want, but I'll show you how I'm drawing them. We're going to draw them below the line of the T, like it isn't supposed to look perfect because no one's perfect. Kind of like that. And erase the head a little bit, kind of make it more flat so we can put our ears. Kind of like this. Next, we're going to make our little nose. It's kind of going to be like a heart, but not as... It's going to look like this. The little bitty thing in the middle of the page. This is what it looks like, Sydney. And then we're going to make our little mouth. Like this. We're going to make our whiskers. Well, before we make our whiskers, actually, we're going to erase all of the lines we put into the circle. So now all we have is our head, our eyes, and our mouth. Kind of like this. Now you can put little circles in your eyes, like this. Then you put one little circle into the ball that you put in your eye. good. You can draw your eyes however you want. But this is how I'm drawing mine. Kind of like that. This is Sydney's. So now we're going to be drawing her ears. And you can make your head more kind of like a circle shape. Like it doesn't have to be too pointy, you know. I'm going to show you how my head looks like, what my head looks like. And this is what mine looks like. Yep. And then we're going to make our ears. This is what mine looks like. I'm going to put a little bitty hair at the top. That's what I did. I added hair at the top and in the ears. I think my ears are a little too far apart, so I'm going to put them more together. Right. This is what mine looks like. Now I'm gonna make a body. Make a little boy. A cute little cat. Okay, I'm gonna put my legs. And my tail. How to make it look realistic. Mine's not realistic. This is what Sydney's looks like, and I'm thinking I should do the same idea for the body. And we're gonna do a little circle. And our arms. And our legs. If you're wondering what the meowing is, it's just my sister picking up the cat. This is our cat, Gypsy. I made a short about her. She's so cute. Hi, baby. I'm going to show you mine in just a moment, but you can do it however you want. Sydney looks very proud of hers. This is what mine looks like. And
yours looks really good.
Thanks. And just because of Sydney, now we're going to put a little bitty yarn ball. I'm gonna put the yarn coming in. This is what it looks like. And you could put a little floor under the cat. Like you can add whatever you want in the background. I'm going to add some hearts.
And I'm going to add some flowers. Some
Sydney's adding
roses.
some roses. Just like her, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Like this.
Add one more rose over here.
Now I'm going,
And then this is mine.
now we're going to cut.
The roses.
Sydney, snap your fingers and then we'll be gone. We finished coloring and this is the turnout of mine. And then look at Sydney's. It's very pretty. Don't you like it? So, yours at home might not look exactly like ours, but that's okay because everyone's different.
Yeah, like mine's different from hers.
Yeah, hers looks much different from mine. Even though we did the same things, we colored it different and it looks different. So please check out my other videos and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.